Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove PayPal from TikTok. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Once it's open, navigate to your profile by tapping the Me or Profile icon, typically located in the bottom right corner of your screen. From your profile page, access the Settings menu by tapping the three lines or dots in the top right. This will lead you to your account options. Once you are in the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Balance or Wallet and select it. This section manages your financial interactions within the app. Next, tap on Payment Methods to display all the payment accounts you have linked. Take a moment to carefully identify the specific PayPal account that you wish to unlink from your TikTok profile. This ensures you remove the correct one. Now that you have identified your PayPal account, select it from the list of payment methods. You should then see an option to remove, unlink, or delete the account. Tap on this option. The application will likely ask you to confirm your decision to ensure it's not an accidental action. Confirm your choice to proceed and finalize the unlinking of your PayPal account from TikTok. To ensure the process was successful, go back to your Payment Methods section and verify that PayPal no longer appears in the list. This confirms it has been successfully unlinked. Keep in mind that you always have the flexibility to re-add PayPal or link an alternative payment method whenever you need to. This simple process helps maintain your payment information as current and secure on TikTok.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.